Day 2 dito sa Taiwan.
Ang lamig!
Kita niyo yung view sa temple. Taipei 101 at the 88th floor.
Kapoy! Kapoy!
Our itinerary for today is actually dapat dediretso kami ng Taipei 101 pero may bibilin lang kami na stand for DJI. So pupunta kami ng Zhongshan kasi doon yung DJI store nila. So open siya 11 AM and it's currently 10:37 so sakto lang. See you there! So karon sa ako nag-decide dili mag-jacket dito YouTube now. Niwa yung na-jacket. Wala nag-aircon. So nice, it's so cold. I really love Taiwan. I will be back here tomorrow. Maramang napamang ko din. Mickey Mouse. Na-amaze kami dito sa Taiwan kasi ang dami nilang studio.
Ang lamig!
Ang taxi nila guys, oh. It's very scrumptious. Malamig today guys. I love the weather today. Pero tolerable man siya. Hindi mo kailangan mag-jacket. Okay na po din siya. Masaya na ako sa damit ko ngayon.
Boko! Yeah, our favorite milk tea. Welcome to Shibinding! Ang galing-galing ng Taiwan!
Ang ganda-ganda dito! Ay, galing kami nagpa-picture muna dun sa may rainbow pedestrian. Ang ganda-ganda dito! Kasi, sayang naman. Kaso naan ang sakyanan. We're going to Zhongshan today. Hi guys, we're actually trying to try a local food here. It's called Zhongshan. Tip pa pala guys, pag gusto nyo kumain ng mga local-local, observe nyo lang kung ano ginagawa nila. Tapos, yun, bayad ka na. So, as for our case, parang kuha ng parang paper lunchbox. Then, kuha ka lang ng anong gusto mo. Then, eat na. From Indonesia guys. So, naka-order na kami guys and luckily yung nagbantay is from Indonesia so alam niya na hindi kami Taiwanese. Hi guys, so andito kami ngayon sa Zhongshan and actually ang pinunta lang namin dito is yung DJI na store kasi may bibili kami. However, di namin alam dito para din yung Chiang Kai-shek. And yan yung itinerary namin today. So, hindi available yung gusto namin bilhin sa DJI ni King. So, plan na namin is punta na lang kami ng Chiang Kai-shek, then pictures, and then afternoon, doon na lang kami magta-Taipei. Ay, Taipei 101. So, right now, we're waiting for the bus. We used Google Maps. So, if you use Google Maps, guys, mas dali siya kasi ibibigay sa inyo yung step-by-step direction. Like, for example, how many minutes papuntang bus stop, anong bus ang sasakyan mo, tsaka ilang minutes from the bus stop going to your destination. So for us, from here basta sa my DJI store, we walk for around 3 minutes papunta dito sa bus stop dito. And then, based sa Google, sasakay kami ng bus number 222. So based dun sa 9 minutes na lang andito na yung bus. So ayan guys, nakaride na kami ng bus stop papuntang Chiang Kai-shek. So based dito sa Google Maps, may 3 stops. Tapos onting walk na lang, Chiang Kai-shek. Doon guys, nakababa na kami ng bus. 10 minutes walk lang papunta ng Chiang Kai-shek. Doon na tayo. So parang linis dito, tahimik. Grabe. Very quiet here. Sobrang linis guys. Straight. Here. Pwede tayo shortcut tira. Yeah. So, malapit na kami sa Chiang Kai-shek.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming 'cause I feel the sun.
Hi guys, andito kami sa museum sa baba. So, ito yung mga photos, mga Memorabilia. Kita niyo yun, changing of guards. Hi guys, we're here in the garden area ng Chiang Kai-shek and we're looking for cherry blossoms. May nakita ko isa, wait lang. Parang ano siya, cherry blossom na hindi pa fully, ano, diba? Ang ganda ng view guys. Ay, picture ko diri, King! King, Chiang. Sa YouTuber na ako na nakita na. Woo! Finally, we're here in the Chiang Kai-shek na yung very famous na photo op session is gonna be there. It's there, guys. Hello! We're here at makita niyo yung view sa temple. This is Chiang Kai-shek, the very common picture place ng mga nagva-vlog. Chiang Kai-shek. You can, there guys, oh.
Paras naman sila.
Musa ka to dira or dito sa likod? Wala, nag-propose.
Dira tayo, dira.
Ay, picturean. Dumiretso kami sa Chiang Kai-shek na MRT. Then sumakay kami red line papuntang Taipei 101. So it's very easy guys kasi ginamit ko lang din yung Google Maps. Yeah, the Google Map gave me the direction or ano yung train na sasakyan din. Right now we are going to Taipei 101. Magko-coffee kami sa Simple Cafe for takeout, Simple Cafe coffee. And then probably maghanap kami ng place doon to have our lunch kasi late lunch na kasi 3:12 na. So yeah, we're going up na. Oh my god guys, we're actually below the Taipei 101. So papasok kami sa Taipei 101 to, oh my god, it's so freaking big. Ang laki niya guys. So sa itinerary namin, Taipei 101, aray, Simple Cafe. We're going inside Taipei 101. Hanapin namin yung Simple Cafe. There, Simple Cafe. Nasa likod ng elevator. Take away ang yun yun. Take away. So you go to Simple Cafe and say take away. Then you can go and give them the pass to go up. Here in the Simple Cafe. So after doon nakakuha kami ng ganito guys, and we're here. This is Simple Phone. Okay, so going to order coffee here guys. So you can get here for free. It's so nice. I never thought Taiwan is this. Okay, let's order coffee. Hi guys, so we're here in Taipei 101 at the 88th floor. See? So how to get here for, it's not for free, but how to get here na hindi kayo masyadong makakagastos na malaki. So what you should do is to go to Simple Cafe at the lobby, sabihin nyo take away, then they will give you this pass papunta dito sa 80th floor. Then here you can buy coffee, food, and then enjoy the scenery at 80th floor. So okay na din. Ano? Nasa Lemurg Mountain sa likod. Hi guys, so today nagtambay lang kami dito sa Simple Cafe. We're just thinking of saan pupunta next kasi punta na kasi namin lahat ng itinerary today. So it's already 4:12, so it's either uuwi kami to rest or didiretso kami somewhere na hindi pa namin napuntahan. So we're thinking about going to the Alcapa coffee shop or yeah, we're just thinking of other stuff, but probably we're still gonna eat muna pagbaba. to discover the things below. Kasi nasa 88th floor kami.
Taipei 101. Oh my god, it's so
Hi! And right now, we're going back to Ximending sa hotel namin para mag-refresh, mag-relax. Kasi mamayang gabi, kami ay lalabas na naman. The shirts are very... I like this one. It's very affordable. Like, ang sale nila there is sale good. Like, 300 pesos. H&M, 300 pesos.
Hi guys, we're here at Rauhe Night Market, Street Market, and ang ganda ng parang temple. This is a temple.
Umuulan ngayon guys, we're here at Rauhe Street Night Market. Ang ulan.
Ayaw sa gandaligsik, pero may kakaon.